Good evening, children. Welcome to our online class, Standard 6, Subject Science, Unit 2, Electricity. Yesterday, we stopped the lesson in the title Battery. Okay. Now we start 2.3 Electric Circuits. This is how the current that works in the electric circuit. Grandfather asked Selvi to bring torchlight. Grandfather said Selvi to bring torchlight. While taking the torchlight, it fell down and the cells came out. She put the cells back and switched it. The torchlight did not glow. She thought the torchlight was worn out. She was afraid that grandfather might scold her. She started crying. Her uncle came there and asked the reason for crying. She conveyed the matter. Her uncle removed the cell and reserved them. Do you know the meaning, children? Suddenly, Selvi fell into the torchlight and the torchlight she switched off. Then she take the torchlight and put the battery into the torchlight. Then she on the torchlight, but the torchlight did not glow. Why? Because he arranged the battery in the wrong way. So the negative and the negative charge and the positive charge will not work. So her uncle come and to remove the cells and reversed them. After the torchlight will glow. Now the torchlight glows. Selvi's face also glow. Oh, now Selvi is very happy. Uncle told her the reason and explained her about electric circuit. Selvi uncle will explain the electric circuit. Yes, come. Inside view of torchlight. This is the torchlight, children. Already you know the torchlight and see the torchlight. Yes, there first the glowing part of the torchlight is present in the bulb. Then the inside the torchlight, it's our handle side. A long gap is present. That gap filled in the battery, and the side of the torchlight the switch is also present. We on the switch, the torchlight will glow. We off the switch, the torchlight will off. An electric circuit is the continuous or unbroken closed path along with the electric current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. A circuit generally has, what is the circuit present? A cell or battery, a source of electric current. A cell or a battery give the source of the electric current to glow the torchlight. Connecting wires for carrying current. A bulb, a device that consumes the electricity. A key or a switch. This may be connected anywhere along the circuit to stop or allow the flow of current. Okay, next one, open circuit. What is open circuit? In a circuit, if the key is in open condition, the electricity will not flow and the circuit is called an open circuit. The bulb will not glow in this circuit. Second one, closed circuit. In a circuit, the key is closed condition. It is on. When you switch on the bulb or fan or torchlight, the electric object will be switched on. Okay, it is called a closed condition. The electricity will flow and the circuit is called a closed circuit. The bulb will glow in this circuit. It is called a closed circuit. There are two circuits out there. One is open and one is closed circuit. Okay, next one, types of circuits. Simple circuit. Number 2, series circuit. Number 3, parallel circuit. What is simple circuit? A circuit consisting of a cell, key, bulb and connecting wires is called a simple circuit. This is called a simple circuit. The next one, second one, series circuit. If two or more bulbs are connected in series in a circuit, then that type of circuit is called a series circuit. If any one of the bulb is damaged or disconnected, the entire circuit will not work. This is called a series circuit. Two or more bulbs are working in this circuit is a series circuit. Next one, parallel circuit. Two or more bulbs are connected in parallel one by one in a circuit, then that type of circuit is called a parallel circuit. These are the three types of circuit: simple, series and a parallel circuit. Then next, symbols of electric components. In the circuits discussed above, we used the figures of electric components. Using electric components in complicated circuit is difficult. So, symbol of the components are used instead of figure if these symbols used in electric circuit. Even complicated circuits can be easily understood. Okay. Now they give us a symbol of the electric components. Okay. Now we see the electric component, figure, symbol and remarks. First one, electric cell. Then figure, cell. Next, symbol, remarks. Longer terminal refers positive and shorter terminal refers negative. See the symbol, the longer terminal is a positive and the short terminal is a negative. Next one, battery. Battery symbol. Two or more cells are connected in this series. More batteries are connected, so these are two or more cells are connected in the series. Third one, switch open. Switch open is switch is in off position. Switch open means is in the off position. Next, switch closed. It is a switch is in on position. If the switch is open, it is off position. When the switch is closed, it is a on position. Okay, student. Next one, electric bulb. You know the bulb? Yes, the bulb does not glow. Next one, the bulb glows. See the picture. When you switch on the switch, the bulb will glow. If you off the bulb, it did not glow. Next, connective wires used to connect device. The wires are used to connect the devices. Okay, next one. Yes, see the picture, student. The flow of electric charge in a circuit is called electric current. Again, the flow of electric charge in a circuit is called electric current. Okay. Next, electricity. These are the three circuits: one simple, series and a parallel circuit. See the first one, simple circuit. A circuit consisting of a cell, key, bulb and connecting wires is called a simple circuit. The second one, a circuit consisting of a battery, key, bulb and connecting wires connected in series is called a series current. The third one, a circuit consisting of a battery, key, bulbs and connecting wires connected in parallel is called a parallel circuit. They explain the three types of circuit with the diagrams. Okay, next one, primary cell. Already we know what is a primary cell, what is secondary cell and connecting wires. The primary cells, it is used only torchlight, toys, remote cars, etc. Okay, it is a cell only. The secondary cells is used in the cell phone, cars, batteries. These are a secondary cell. Secondary cell can be recharged by passing current and used again and again. The primary cell cannot be what? Cannot be recharged. It is one time use only after we throw out the primary cell. But as a secondary cell, again and again you pass the current and charged, we use more times. Okay, next one, connecting wires. Connecting wires are made up of conductors and covered with insulator because the safety for us. It is made up of conductors and covered with the insulators. Okay, next one, 2.4, conductors and insulators. Will electric current pass through all material? Will electric pass through all material? No. If an electric wire is cut, we could see a metal wire surrounded by another material. Do you know why it is so? Because conductors, the rate of flow of current electric charges is in a circuit is called electric current. The rate of flow of electric charges in a circuit is called electric current. The materials which allow electric charges to pass through them are called conductors. The materials which allow electric charges to pass through them are called conductors. Example, copper, iron, aluminium, impure water and air, etc. This is called a conductor. Then next one, insulator. The material which do not allow electric charges to pass through them are called insulator or non-conductors. Again, the material which do not allow the electric charge to pass through them are called insulator or non-conductor. Example, plastic, glass, wood, rubber, china clay, ebonite, etc. Okay, this is the difference between the conductors and the insulator. Okay, now safety measures to safeguard a person from electric shock. How to follow the safeguard to safety from electric shock? First one, switch off the power supply is must. Remove the connection from the switch. Push him away using non-conducting materials. Give him first aid and take him to the nearest shelter. Okay. You know children, remove the connection from the switch. When you charge the phone, after your phone getting a charge, you remove the connection from the switch. Okay, next, push him away using non-conductor material. We use only non-conductor materials to pass the current. It is safe for us. Next one, points to remember. Now finished second lesson, electricity. Any device from which electricity is produced is called the source of electricity. There are many sources of electricity such as thermal power station, hydel power station, windmills, atomic power station, etc. Device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called a cell. Electric cells are of two types. They are the continuity of flow of electric current. Primary cell is the cell that is designed to be used once and discarded. A cell that can be recharged many times is called a secondary cell. Two or more cells combine together to make a battery. An electric circuit is a combination of cells, key, bulb and connecting wires arranged in proper manner. A circuit consisting of a cell, key, bulb and connecting wires is called a simple circuit. Two or more bulbs are connected in a series. The type of circuit is called a series circuit. If two or more bulbs are connected in parallel circuit is called a parallel circuit. Symbol of electrical components are used to represent complicated circuits in simple way. The material which allow electric charges to pass through them are called conductors. The material which do not allow electric charges to pass through them are called insulator or non-insulator. Okay, now we finish the lesson, children. Tomorrow we see the evaluation on this chapter. Okay, today your homework is you go through the full lesson. Okay, you fully read the lesson. Okay, thank you, children.